Water can be a formidable force of nature. In today's video, we'll explore the different types of water damage and flooding that can wreak havoc during rainstorms and river surges. We'll also delve into effective methods for restoring land after such disasters and how to identify and manage land bogging. Rainstorms and river surges can lead to several types of water damage. Flash floods occur rapidly, often with little warning, inundating areas with a sudden rush of water. River flooding happens when riverbanks overflow due to excessive rainfall or snowmelt. Urban flooding, on the other hand, is common in cities where drainage systems are overwhelmed by the water volume. These events can damage homes, infrastructure, and agricultural land, leaving communities stranded and landscapes altered. Restoring land after a flood is a critical step in rebuilding communities. The process begins with a thorough assessment of the damage. Soil erosion is often a major concern, requiring strategies such as replanting vegetation and using barriers to prevent further loss. Revegetation helps bind the soil, reducing erosion and promoting the return of biodiversity. In some areas, reconstructing natural floodplains can also mitigate future flooding by allowing water to disperse more effectively. Infrastructure repair is essential to restore access and utilities. This includes fixing roads, bridges, and drainage systems to ensure the safe return of residents. Land bogging is another consequence of flooding where soil becomes saturated with water, impeding its use for agriculture or construction. Identifying land bogging involves checking for persistently wet soil, poor crop growth, and difficulty with machinery access. Addressing these issues often requires improved drainage solutions and soil aeration. Installing drainage systems helps redirect excess water, while soil aeration techniques such as tilling and using organic amendments can improve soil structure and reduce bogging over time. Flooding can alter lives and landscapes, but with knowledge and cooperation, restoration is possible. By understanding the types of water damage, employing effective restoration techniques, and managing issues like land bogging, communities can emerge stronger and more resilient. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness about floods. Until next time, stay safe.